Oh, New York. New York. Highest to lowest.
That's your humble narrator trying to solve the clues to the mystery of the not-so-scary haunted house, an escape room-like adventure hosted by the PSC Student Resource Center for ADA Services. Here's Catherine Coxwell, Center Coordinator, talking about the not-so-scary haunted house.
Oh my.
And this is our not so scary haunted house
All right.
escape room
Escape
activity.
room. What's the purpose of this?
To become more familiar with some of the most requested and used accommodations that our office provides.
Okay. And tell me about your office. What do you guys do?
So if a student has a physical, mental, emotional, any kind of disability of any sort, then we provide accommodations to make the class and the campus more accessible. So that could be extra time testing, that could be a standing desk because of a back injury, could be copies of notes because there's an issue with taking notes or because they can't keep up fast
Sure.
enough.
Any statistics on how many ADA students we have, or?
Most semesters we run around 7% of our population. Summers are a little bit higher because most of our students take a lighter load, so they end up going summers in order to catch back up.
To figure out who or what is haunting the not-so-scary house, participants must decipher numerous clues, some involving Braille and American Sign Language.
All right. Cool. So you feel around here, and it corresponds with the letter and number here.
Because part of the Braille's on here.
The not-so-scary haunted house is located in Building 2, Room 250. It will be open Wednesday and Friday
lights,
during the
are
day.
they supposed to
Bring a
stay off
group
the
of
whole
up to
time?
8 people to help you
I
solve the
mostly just had it
mystery.
done with this.
There is
I
no
haven't turned it all
wait.
the way off.
Just drop on by. And remember, the Student Resource Center for ADA Services will host its open house from 9 to
Oh,
noon
clue.
Friday in Building 6, Room 603.
Clue.
Lots of clues.